everyone, I'm Himani. This is my YouTube channel. Hope you are happy and joyful. So let's start with our weekly horoscope for the week 16th of March till 22nd of March as per your zodiac moon signs. It's a general reading. Have faith in your God and definitely you will resonate with these cards. Before starting, I request everyone, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon so that you will get notification beforehand for my new videos. Also, please share this video with your family and friends so that they can also get the guidances. My social media handles, my Gmail ID will be mentioned in the description box, so you can always reach out to me through these platforms for any guidances, personalized assistance you need from my side. Also, you can email me or comment in the video what all new videos or suggestions you have for me. I will accordingly make the videos. Also, the timeline of each videos will be mentioned in the description box. You can check yours. So before wasting any time, let's get started. So first zodiac sign is Aries, that is Mesh Rashi. So for Aries, I have pulled the card the Sun, which means plans that work out perfectly. तो इस वीक आपके जो भी plans हैं वो perfectly work out करेंगे. ऑल्सो आपने जो भी आइडियाज़ सोच रखे हैं दैट विल डेफिनेटली लीड टू रिवॉर्ड्स एंड commendations. Also, you should be gratitude for the blessings of life. This card will give you success, financial abundance, whatever challenges you faced last week. This week it will be over and you can easily plan your week with a perfect way. So all the best, Aries. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Vrishab Rashi, Taurus. Let's see what is stored for Taurus. Okay, so Taurus, for you the card is Justice, which means you have to review each and every details this week carefully because you will be rewarded as per your deeds. So if you have done something good, if you have helped others, definitely universe will bless you with success. Otherwise you will face challenges. Also, if you are having any legal battles this week, you will win in the end. So rest assured, you will be successful. Also, you will be making fair and objective decisions for yourself or for your team because you will be responsible for the decision. So you have to be fair and objective and careful. Also, if you are single, this card also tells court marriage. So all the best, Taurus. Now let us move ahead with the next zodiac, Gemini, Mithun Rashi. Let's see the card. Okay, so for Gemini we have the card 4 of Winter, which means this week Gemini, जो भी आपके concerns हैं, you have to set aside all your concerns and don't make any decision currently because जो भी आप decision बनाओगे that will not help you and you are not in that mind state कि आप decisions कोई भी सोचो और कोई भी बनाओ. So please make the decisions later in the next week. This week you have to set aside all your problems, all your concerns and just go out on a vacation, meditate, just relax your mind, take a nap, sleep well or meditate because sometimes solutions comes from meditation. So you need to meditate, go out in a nature, peacefully go for a walk and then you will think about it. Definitely your energies will revive and you will able to make decisions. So all the best, Gemini. So the next zodiac sign is Cancer, that is Kark Rashi. Let's see what is stored for Cancer. Okay, so Cancerians, for you the card is Unity, which means इस वीक आपको सही काम करना है फॉर राइट रीज़न. सही रीजन्स के लिए सही काम करना है. ऑल्सो आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स और न्यू अप्रोचेज एंड देखो आपके लिए कौन सा सूटेबल है, विच वन इज वर्किंग फॉर यू. So accordingly you can use the method for any new challenges. Sorry. Also, you might enroll yourself in some spiritual minded community that will definitely help you. So overall, you are more spiritual this week. You will do the right thing for the right reasons. Also, you will compare traditional versus new approaches. So all the best, Cancer. Now let us move ahead for the next zodiac, that is Leo. Singh Rashi. Let's see the card. Okay, so for Leo we have pulled the card the Empress, which means it is the time to take action. So whatever ideas you have in mind, it is the time to take action. Also, use creativity in your projects. Use more creativity for anything you do. Also, this is the week where you will have success, financial abundance. You will enjoy the life of luxury, pamper yourself, go out in a parlor. If you are female, take out time, or if you are male you can go for a massage. So just pamper yourself. Also, if you are planning for a baby, this is the right time to plan for a baby. So definitely success is there in your chart. So, and success allows you a life of luxury. So all the best, Leo. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Virgo, that is Kanya Rashi. Let's see what is the card for Virgo. Okay, so Virgo, for you the card is 5 of Spring, which means this week there are lot of competition in the market. People will try to pull you down. Opposing goals arising from different opinions. There will be difference of opinions in your workplace. People are fighting for competition. They have different goal. They are opposing each other's goals. So just you have to stay grounded. And some आपको ऐसा लगेगा जैसे आप ऑड मैन आउट हो. यू विल फील ऑड with yourself from others, but you have to prove yourself. You have to believe in yourself, and you have to stand out among others, because there will be overly ambitious people around the corner. So you have to be different from them. You have to prove yourself, and you have to fight in the competition to be in top, because people will definitely pull you down. So all the best, Virgo. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Libra, that is Tula Rashi. Let's see what is the card stored for Libra. Okay, so Libra, for you the card is Hermit, which means introspection, soul searching. You have to take a break from society, from everything. Go out somewhere, think about your life purpose, what exactly you want in life. Also, this is the time for your spiritual growth. You can find a mentor, with whom you can talk about your career, about your life purpose. You have to take a break from society. You have to look within yourself. You have to find out what exactly you want in life. Also, if your relationship is struggling, it's the time to give space to each other and evaluate exactly what is going wrong in your relationship, how you can change it. So all the best, Libra. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Scorpio, that is Vrishchik Rashi. So Scorpio, for you the card is 6 of Autumn, which means the good you do comes back to you. मतलब अगर आप अच्छा करोगे तो अच्छा ही आपको मिलेगा वापस. Also, एंड अनएक्सपेक्टेड इनफ्लो ऑफ मनी. सो इस वीक आपको कहीं से भी पैसा आएगा. अगर आपने कोई एफडी करा रखी है वो मैच्योर हो जाएगी, या आपने किसी को लोन दे रखा है तो वो आपको वापस मिल जाएगा. सो देयर इज़ अनएक्सपेक्टेड इनफ्लो ऑफ मनी. कुछ भी हो सकता है. आरडी मैच्योर हो सकती है, किसी को पैसा दिया है वो रिटर्न हो सकता है, या आपको कोई इंसेंटिव मिल सकता है, आपने कोई काम किया होगा. तो ऐसे कहीं ना कहीं से आपको इनफ्लो ऑफ मनी आएगा इस वीक. ऑल्सो अगर आप बोरो कर रहे हैं किसी से मनी फॉर योर फाइनेंशियल नीड्स, बोरो इट वाइजली. ऑल्सो यू आर रेडी टू रीपे अ डेप्ट. अगर आपने पहले किसी से लोन लिया है तो सिंस यू आर गेटिंग इनफ्लो ऑफ मनी, यू आर रीपेइंग द डेप्ट what you have taken. So overall it's a good week for you. All the best, Scorpio. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Sagittarians, that is Dhanu Rashi. Let's see what is stored for Sagittarians. Okay, so Sagittarians, for you the card is Queen of Summer, which means this week you will be very loving, compassionate, emotional, comforting to your loved ones. Also you will be listening to your heart in taking any decision. So if you are planning any decision or if you are thinking about something, you will be listening to your heart. Also you can trust your intuitive insight. So आप जो भी सोचोगे, जो भी डिसीजंस लोगे, अपने इंट्यूशंस पे भरोसा रखो, अपने दिल की सुनो. Definitely that will be beneficial for you. Also you might be taking care of others too much, so I will advise take care of others, but at the same time take care of yourself as well, otherwise you will get ill. So if you are taking care of others, don't overboard or don't go too much ignoring your health as well. So think about it, and all the best, Sagittarians. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Capricorn. Let's see what is stored for Capricorns. Okay, so Capricorns, for you the card is King of Autumn, which means this week you will be very compassionate towards your loved ones. You have a charismatic feeling. You are gifted with intuition, so whatever you think, that will going to be true. So you should be assertive when it comes to what you know is right. So you have to be assertive. If you feel this is right, you have to stick to it. Everything is going your way. So whatever you have thought of, it is according to your plans. Your expectations are working. So whatever you have thought for yourself, your goals, your achievements, it is going the way you wanted. Also you might get a good person or company in your workplace to work for. So in the company which you are working on is the good company, or if you are looking out for a job, definitely you will find a good company to work for, which you have thought, which is your passion, which is your thought. Also it also indicates a good person to work for. So if you are working in a team, so you will have a person with whom you are able to work nicely. He or she will be a good person. So all the best, Capricorns. Now let us check the guidance for Aquarius, Kumbh Rashi. Let's see. Okay, so Aquarius, for you the card is 8 of Spring. So you are having lot of things happening at once. So many things are happening at once. I know you are successful in multitasking. You are doing lot of things at one go. Lot of things are happening in your environment that might cause you stress. So just be careful. I know you are successful in multitasking, but at the same time you have to control your stress, because if you are running here and there, lot of things are happening and you are working towards it, you will feel stressed out. So just be careful. Also there might be sudden events or changes going to occur, so you have to definitely be careful. There are a lot of things happening in your life, so you have to be prepared for it. So all the best, Aquarius. Now The last zodiac sign, Pisces, mean Rashi. Let's see what is stored for Pisces. Okay, so Pisces, for you the card is 8 of Autumn, which means whatever you are doing currently or whatever you are about to do, you have to research before proceeding. So whatever you want to start, you have to research before proceeding. Also, you might be improving your skills in the form of education or seminars, or you are going back to school or learning new things. Also, there might, you will be improving your skills, and you will be an excellent craftsmanship. To improve your skills and to achieve success, you need to improve yourself. You will be taking education, going back to school, or you will be attending seminars related to your skills. So also along with that, you will be planning to work on long term projects. So all the best, Pisces, and thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope these weekly guidances will definitely help you in success. So all the best, take care, bye bye.